I know.
Hold on, watch out. You see that thing? This old oven here don't piss me off. That's so loud.
I know.
Dude, it's freaking loud. Dennis is like, God damn it, I thought they were gonna shoot it. That does sound like we're shooting it, honestly.
I know. I hit the top part. Hit the top part, Jay.
Down, or here you go. You gotta like swing at it this way. What do you mean? Because it'll bust the glass out.
Yeah.
Swing it what way?
Just hit it.
Like the glass right here. Oh, okay. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, hard. God, this thing weighs like 40 pounds.
I know.